Hi, we're George and Georgia, and we spent 6 months travelling around Southeast Asia, vlogging our adventures as we went. Having visited 9 new countries, we're back in the UK and we're taking a look back at all the mistakes and goofs that we made along the way.
Good morning.
Your reaction did not fill me with hope.
It's good. It's just weird.
Imagine if that spider was in our room. So this is one of the faded ones. It's a cat, in case you can't see that.
I don't understand this illusion, it's so terrible.
Did you get that? Oh.
Did you fall?
There was a step. So we've been in Siem Reap this whole time, wandering around, and there's a crocodile farm. You forgot to mention the Sea Life Centre. So we did plan ahead.
Louder.
So we did plan ahead. Much going on. It's very vibrant. Really has a lot of station to Windsor Park so that we can go and do the treetop walk. That boat ride cost us 150,000 dong each. Let me do that again. It wasn't each, it was for the two of us. So the rickshaw from the bus station cost 6,400 Cambodian real. I forgot what I was going to say. We have a Japanese, should we say it outside of the food court?
No.
Yeah. So outside of the food court, is that again? Oh, yeah. So I kind of want it, oh no. We went to the hostel. No, we didn't.
Banjuwangi.
Not sure. Tomorrow we're heading to Dalat, but first we've got to go and back to... What? This doesn't feel like that old. still 3 hours to go, but we're gonna go.
We check out of here tomorrow, and then our next destination.
We're now heading to the ferry terminal to get the ferry down to the next. I'll do it all again.
Yep. Usually nod. You don't nod anymore. I miss the days when you nodded.
This is the, wait, what is it, Iron Man experience?
Yeah.
We've already seen a bunch of the street art, but our hostel had this. Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
We made it to Bangkok.
Look at all those chickens. When we got, I got bit.
That was a fly.
It accidentally left a tiny bit of food. Ew.
We're now heading.
Speakers are loud. Maybe this is louder.
And then we had a nice lie-in, and now we're gonna go and find some food and then explore Hong Kong. Why did that happen? Right. Is this recording?
It's too sunny.
My knees are not made for this. Are we going? Party on!
Hello.
I caved and bought a fan. Hello.
Stop filming so I can use that as a blooper.